Look at the baby, boo. Say, hey, look at that little baby. Are you jealous? Boo, what is it, buddy? You're being such a good boy. Oh, hey. Talk to him, Rico. Tell him about it. Tell him right there. Look, tell him. Tell him. Well, tell him what's going on. Good boy. Uh-huh. What's going on in here? I know I'm getting scratched a lot. But what? Oh. Oh. Wait, there's another one. Oh, that monkey's crawling out of me. You're silly. You are too. Plug it in, bud. Plug it in, baby.
Surrender the blanket, get on the Jolly Roger from Aunt Kiki. And here we go. Yeah, you're a little big. Just so those of you who watched the first bath video, look at the size comparison now. Because this is what he used to hold on to. Yeah, you know what that is. Yeah, you know what time it is. Good times. So, I'm going to let him get comfy with this tub, just so he can see that he's around some water. Yeah, what did you think about that, Oz? I didn't know this squeak, did you? Uh-oh. Immediately upset about that. Look at his tail going. I've never actually seen him do that, but he's upset. Oh no. Come on. All right, good boy. All right, Oz. Here comes the fun, bro. I don't think he's going to want to hold this. I'm going to set it in there, though. All right. Okay, come here. I know, I'm wet too. So, like many of you that have kids already know, sometimes they don't like baths, but we gotta get them. Come on, let's make this quick. We'll make it quick, come on. Yeah, you don't like that, do you? Well, you can wash it right on my arm. That's fine by me too, if that makes you feel better, bud. Oh, I know, and you look crazy all wet. It's been a while since I've seen you all wet. Come here. All right, come on. Okay, now, you'll learn to like it maybe, huh? You'll learn to like it, bud. It's okay. Let's get these feet. All right, I know you don't like that, do you? Oh yeah, that makes you mad inside? Let's get a little bit of soap. What we'll do, just rub a little bit. Get your main part. I guess I'm taking a bath too. All right, come on. Come here.
don't like snakes.
Oh my goodness.
Can't pick it up. They're so crazy.
Can I take a picture?
Yes.
Before.
He. Look, somewhere around here. You see the birds? See them? Really cool, huh, dude? You want to pet bird? You don't eat a bird. You kill it. Try to play with it. Here, let's see what else I got. Look, boo, they've had 6 million adoptions. That's pretty cool, PetSmart. Alright, these are cats. Say hey to him. Look, there's another one. There's another one. What's the white girl all sleeping? They must have obviously just take food all the way around. Look at you. Make friends with him. Be his friend. Big cat. Boo, look how big he is. What's he looking at? He got a big head, Boo. Wish we could pet him, Boo. Holy crap, look how big that cat is. Alright, Boo weighs 10 pounds. I think the average cat probably weighs about the same as Boo does, I'm guessing maybe. The cat is huge. Goodness. Here, come here, let's go. Look at how big he is. I don't really like cats, but I wish we could take that big giant cat home. He can play with you.
Yes, I know you don't like this part. I know. See, that's how I get the soap on you, bro. Let you do all the work. All right. You're good. Here, float on your floaty. It's all right. It's okay. You're all right. Okay. Let's get that soap off you. All right, you're soaked up. I hate baths, guys. It's torture. I know, but we gotta get you clean. Come on. You're all right. This is the clean one, and we're all done. All right. Yeah, I like you better dry. You look funky when you're wet. Kind of look like one of them old 70s carpets. Far out, dude. You're so mad. You're so skinny. Well, that fur had you all puffed up, didn't it? Come here. All right. Let's get you to a towel. Here you go. Come on. All right, Brian. Let's move that. All right. So I'm drying them with one of those microfiber ones that absorb lots of moisture all at once. Oh yeah. Is that better? Oh yeah, your ears off. They went all flat. Oh yeah. We got the heat up really high in here because it's cold outside. So, just for those of you that worry he might be cold, he's He's just angry. But he's calm about it. He didn't bite me at all, which is surprising. I figured this time he might have a go at me, but he didn't, which is good. It means he's a friendly guy, huh? You a friendly guy? Yeah, I knew you